Can you reverse a disease without medicine? Here is what science says. Cholesterol, diabetes, PCOS, fatty liver, thyroid issue, high blood pressure. These are some of the most common diagnoses today and also the most commonly medicated. But what if I told you many of these conditions aren't permanent? That with the right lifestyle interventions, they can be reversed or dramatically improved without lifelong dependency on pills. This isn't some French theory, it's science. And it's happening every single day. Let's begin with a basic but powerful truth. Most lifestyle diseases are not caused by deficiency in medication. You don't get diabetes because your body forgot to reduce metformin. You don't struggle with high cholesterol because you did not take enough statins. These drugs help manage the symptoms, but they rarely resolve the root cause. And in many cases, that root cause is women into how we eat, move, sleep, think, and recover. Welcome to Grow India 100x with Sonali Patil. Listen to this podcast till the end and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Let's talk about diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is not a lifestyle sentence. The conventional view of type 2 diabetes says it's progressive and irreversible, but thousands of people around the world are proving that wrong. Through consistent blood sugar balancing meals, periods of intermittent fasting, gentle weight loss, stress regulation, and improving sleep and movement patterns, people are reversing this condition. Dr. Roy Taylor in the UK has published multiple studies showing that fat stored in the liver and pancreas can be reversed. And when that happens, insulin resistance begins to resolve. People living with diabetes for over a decade have reduced or even eliminated the need for medication by changing how they eat, live, and not by doubling their prescriptions. Let's talk about PCOS, which is known as PMOS. More than hormones, polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS is one of the most frustrating diagnoses for women. Most are handed a pack of birth control pills, metformin or anti-androgens and told this is the best it gets. But again, these approaches focus on managing symptoms. The underlying driver is often insulin resistance, chronic inflammation and unrelenting stress. Women who reduce sugar, stabilizes their blood sugar, learn to regulate their stress response, build strength, and repair their sleep often find their periods return, acne clears, and weight begins to shift. The results come not from pills, but from root level healing. Functional medicine doesn't isolate the ovaries, it zooms out to look at your gut, hormones, metabolism, and emotional environment together. Cholesterol again is not the villain, yet genetics do play a role, but lifestyle has a far greater influence over your lipid profile that most people realize. What spikes cholesterol isn't just dietary fat, it's inflammation, processed sugar, sluggish liver, and chronic stress. Many people are able to lower LDL and triglycerides simply by switching the whole foods, including more omega-3s, improving sleep, and moving consistently. Statins lower numbers on the lab report, but lifestyle reduces actual cardiovascular risk. Because it's not just about cholesterol levels. What truly matters is the oxidation of LDL, the damage to the vessel walls, and the inflammation that follows. Those are all modifiable. You just have to look in the right direction. Untold thyroid story. Hypothyroidism is one of the most overdiagnosed and over-medicated conditions. Yet, it's also one of the least well understood. Millions are put on levothyroxine for years and still feel fatigue, gain weight, shed hair, and live with brain fog. Why? Because the conventional model often only tests TSH, ignoring the bigger picture. True thyroid function is deeply connected to autoimmunity, nutrient status, gut integrity, and stress resilience. Hashimoto's, a common autoimmune thyroid condition, can be influenced by selenium, iodine, zinc, and iron levels. A leaky gut can trigger thyroid antibodies. Cortisol and stress can block hormone conversion. When these issues are addressed, many people begin to feel better, and some can even reduce their medication under supervision. Reversing fatty liver without pills. Fatty liver disease, particularly the non-alcoholic kind, is skyrocketing. And the good news is it's reversible. It's directly tied to excessive fructose, refined carbohydrate consumption, and insulin resistance. Studies have shown that reducing sugar, increasing fiber and protein, and incorporating just 20 minutes of daily walking can begin reversing liver fat within weeks. The liver has an incredible capacity to regenerate, but it can only do so when you remove the burden and give it the support it needs. Blood pressure is not just about salt. Most people think high blood pressure is a salt issue, but it's far more complex. Stress, sleep deprivation, stiffened arteries, mineral imbalances, dehydration, and insulin resistance all play a role. And when people begin walking regularly, breathing mindfully, hydrating well, reducing sugar, and restoring their magnesium levels, their blood pressure often improves, sometimes within days. Yet, so many are told they will be on medication for life, that their condition is permanent, when in reality their body was just overwhelmed and trying to adapt. Lifestyle should be the first line, not the last resort. This isn't an argument against medication. In many cases, it's life-saving. But what we are talking about is the widespread of over-medication of lifestyle conditions without even addressing the root cause. Imagine if the lifestyle was used as a first step instead of a backup plan. If doctors said before we prescribe a drug, let's fix your nutrition, movement, stress, sleep, gut health, and emotional well-being. What if your diagnosis wasn't the end of the road, but the beginning of a different path? The truth about reversal: yes, many conditions can be reversed through anti-inflammatory eating, consistent strength training, and daily movement, restorative sleep, nervous system regulation, gut repair, and emotional healing. Thousands of people have done what they were told was impossible. They have reversed diabetes, balanced their hormones, cleared their screen, gotten off blood pressure medication, reversed fatty liver, reduced or stopped thyroid medication, restored their periods, and reclaimed their quality of life. All by shifting how they live, not just what they take. A final word: you are not your diagnosis. You are not a prescription. You are a complex, dynamic, self-healing system that's waiting for the right environment to thrive. Don't let anyone convince you that your condition is permanent until you are explored the power of lifestyle change. Because healing isn't just possible, it's your body's default setting. Medication can be a tool, but your daily choices will always be the foundation of true reversal.